Is the app free? Yeah, the app will be free.
Oh my sweet days of love. What? Oh my gosh. That's proper freaky. What's going on?
Smartphones today have everything a VR headset needs. A high quality display, a powerful processor and an accurate gyroscope. And it's all wireless and bundled up in a product that everyone owns and uses every day. Fueled by the rising 3D printing home user market, the Altergaze is an affordable, open source 3D printed accessory that makes use of your smartphone's power to deliver a cost-effective and mobile VR solution. 360 degrees films, immersive panoramic images from your holiday, virtual reality social networking, architectural presentations, VR experiences for public spaces like museums or social events are just a few examples of what a wireless and affordable VR headset has to offer outside the games industry. But the Altergaze is more than just another VR headset. Because the entire body is 3D printed, it means that pretty much any 3D printing facility or even 3D printer owners can become an Altergaze partner. We will supply them with the lenses and allow them to embed our online customization tool on their website. We will also give them admin control over it, so they can personalize the interface, pick what options they want to offer for their clients and for what price. For non-commercial use, all the files for 3D printing the Altergaze will be free to download and completely open source.
For me, what's truly exciting is that we've been looking at virtual reality already. We've been looking at different products that are on the market, some that aren't on the market yet that are coming, that we could utilize in some sort of way. There have been multiple problems with those in every single situation. Either way too expensive to be able to do it on a mass experience of sort of 100 or 200 people. They're all very connected with lots of different wires popping out of places.
We're really impressed with what's been put together here. It's nothing compared to what we've seen before for kind of mobile screens and virtual reality. Using an iPhone 5, the density of the pixels on the phone is actually better than any other VR device we've seen because the screens are so goddamn good on these devices. Harnessed with the optics and the way it's put together, just means it really works.
After 6 months of intensive work, the Altergaze project is almost complete. But I need your help to raise £25,000 in order to finish the development of a few free-to-download VR experiences and to start the manufacturing process. These funds will also be used to develop the online customization tool, write the SDK for developers and contact 3D printer owners and facilities to make the Altergaze available all over the world. So please, share this with your friends and help me get the Altergaze project off the ground. Thank you for your time and please check the text below for more information.